Hello guys, and welcome to this week outlook here on gold, the pound USD, the USDCAD and the DXY. And let's quickly start with the DXY here. Quickly, we've seen this falling wedge here being created for weeks now, and if we slow down, check up for the week calendar and the news coming out this week, we'll see massive news coming out both on pound, euro, USD. We've seen the non-farm payroll, and basically let's see if this news would bring volatility and give us the push that we need. So back here, the thing I'm expecting is probably for price to break up to the upside, and we'll see more like news. Probably price will range till the non-farm payroll or basically any very important news. And if that plays out, we'll see price to the upside. Other than that, we can actually see that price might actually break this 101.50 and head to the downside, probably bearish. All right, we'll just see a plunge to the downside, but my best anticipation is for price to push to the upside, because we've seen how price has really rejected this region. And if we click on the daily time frame, we'll see how here is a very important region. Okay, so basically let's see how this week would actually push, with the news coming, and maybe we'll get that push to the upside. Okay, and if that happens on the gold, like I've always said, the upward trend line might be broken. We'll get a retest of it and we'll continue to the downside, at least retesting 1827. Other than that, we see price continue to the upside to hit 1960 first, and then probably 1980, and then 2000. Yeah, so possibly gold might actually get to 2000 before we get that push to the downside. Depends. We'll always see that as the week goes on. All right, sorry about that. So that's that on gold. On pound USD, same thing, more like they correlate, and if we break above 124.40, we'll continue to the upside, and if we break to the downside, we'll actually continue to the downside depending on the DXY. Same thing with the USDCAD. USDCAD breaks this region, we see price to 132.40 region. This region's here, and possibly 132. Other than that, we'll go to the upside, break this downward trend line that has formed, touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, the retest of this region, and then we'll see price to the upside, more like this. Okay, so that's it on USDCAD. Other than that, we'll actually see price probably come all the way to these regions, probably create some structure. We'll see how that plays out. Okay, finally the DXY, like I've said, maybe we'll get a push, a break to this region now, 122.30, where it has created a huge resistance, and then we'll continue to the upside. All right, I'll see you guys on Friday, and let's see how this week will play out. Ciao.